Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the UH-60 Black Hawk 2025. The UH-60 Black Hawk has long been a symbol of versatility and reliability in military aviation, and the 2025 variant takes its performance to the next level. As a staple of the U.S. Army and several allied forces, the latest Black Hawk continues to evolve with cutting-edge technology, enhanced capabilities, and improved operational efficiency. This version refines what was already an exceptional multi-role helicopter, making it even more effective in combat, rescue, and transport missions. With a reinforced airframe and upgraded composite materials, the 2025 Black Hawk is built to withstand extreme conditions while ensuring durability and longevity. It features advanced avionics and an updated flight control system, offering superior navigation and automation for pilots. The integration of a modern glass cockpit with high-resolution digital displays provides better situational awareness, reducing pilot workload and increasing mission effectiveness. Additionally, its improved communication systems enhance coordination in both military and humanitarian operations. One of the major advancements in this variant is its upgraded engines, which deliver greater power and fuel efficiency. The enhanced turboshaft engines provide increased lift capacity, allowing for heavier payloads while maintaining impressive speed and maneuverability. This makes the Black Hawk even more effective for troop transport, medical evacuation, and special operations. The refined transmission system further optimizes power distribution, ensuring smooth and responsive flight characteristics. In terms of weaponry and defense, the 2025 Black Hawk is equipped with state-of-the-art systems to enhance survivability and combat effectiveness. It features integrated missile warning and countermeasure systems to detect and neutralize threats. The ability to mount a variety of machine guns and guided munitions provides versatility in combat situations. Additionally, modular weapon stations enable quick adaptation based on mission requirements, making the helicopter a formidable force on the battlefield. The UH-60 has always been known for its adaptability, and the 2025 model continues that legacy with a modular interior that can be configured for different mission profiles. Whether it's used for transporting troops, carrying cargo, conducting search and rescue operations, or providing medical evacuation, the Black Hawk's spacious cabin and customizable layout make it a highly flexible asset. Enhanced seating and improved crash-resistant fuel tanks add to the safety and comfort of both crew and passengers. Another key improvement in this latest version is its integration of artificial intelligence and data sharing capabilities. The onboard systems can process vast amounts of information in real time, assisting pilots in decision-making and enhancing overall mission success. The connectivity with unmanned aerial systems (UAS) allows for coordinated operations, extending reconnaissance and surveillance capabilities. This networked approach ensures that forces on the ground and in the air can operate with better intelligence and strategic efficiency. Environmental considerations have also played a role in the upgrades to the 2025 Black Hawk. With a more fuel-efficient engine design and reduced emissions, it aligns with modern sustainability efforts while maintaining peak performance. Noise reduction technology has been incorporated to enhance stealth and minimize the helicopter's acoustic signature, a crucial factor in covert and special operations. The UH-60 Black Hawk 2025 model reaffirms its status as a cornerstone of military aviation, offering unmatched reliability, performance, and versatility. It remains a trusted platform for armed forces worldwide, adapting to evolving combat and operational needs with innovative advancements. With its combination of firepower, survivability, and adaptability, this helicopter continues to be an indispensable asset for modern warfare and emergency response missions. For more in-depth content like this, make sure to subscribe to Gear Run and stay updated on the latest in military and civilian aviation. Your support helps bring more exciting and informative content, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.